Yeah, them big like a 10-cent bola. Well, my people, them be checking me talk about goods. Now, man in here. Them never know. Come man, no check in, cause already here, you know. As we Marvin I want a little pussy wall. Me nah go sit down and make them a done him some blood clot. Me they come, no, me nah go sit down and make them done Marvin. So, this nah go work. And when having dirty ways, everybody have their ways them too. Me nah make them done him. All them I want pussy still. And that me I tell you no. I want to talk a bag of goods in the morning. I can wake up early too, you know. Yeah. Because everybody are killing a guan and a talk about Nikisha this in front of Marvin. Marvin this in front of Nikisha to call Marvin sell me out. And I love him for me heart. But I done him to you see. I want class and place him and done him to you see. I want another one too. Then if you write your half boy you sell out maybe and they go like say. You come from town and one place. Although I not make them done you still. No, it's true. I come to talk about goods because everybody just Depa Marvin, like say. Marvin sell out in front of them to call Marvin sell out me for Nikisha. Marvin sell me out completely. And me and Marvin they come from work for 100 days, 5 places. Me I go talk about a goods man. I want class him to you see Marvin. Marvin never rate him. Hey. But me not hear nobody done him though. Me not hear nobody done him. Cause back to back me him come from the same place. Me not lie to you. But Marvin ignorant fear no blood clot. I want to give you Marvin and put your head for your body. Cause me I come in at this, you know. Cause, hey, me can't sleep, you know. Cause bad to bad, everybody had done you. Everybody had done you. I know that wicked like oil look. Bad to bad, but one thing do we burn me most of all. Everybody on Nikisha's side, everybody go like say Nikisha. Angel. Nikisha you know angel. Cause Nikisha do enough too. Cause when people go dance and want to dance with Marvin, Nikisha they push them like say him own Marvin and them something there. And when my man them used to beat me for Marvin and kill me, so me not fi dance with Marvin, me still dance with him. And Marvin pick up plucks and malice me for Nikisha. People will never me tell you no, that's why me not deal the boy too. Cause how far me I come from, him not supposed to sell out me for nobody, cause no boy couldn't make me sell him out. And he sell out me blood clot, me add him to yourself, me want class him. But me not go done him this morning, you know. Me not go done him because me not go help everybody and done him. Bad to bad. We not go like Nikisha not do nothing. Nikisha not do nothing. Nikisha do things too. Nikisha do things too because Nikisha make enough people eat Marvin. And when Marvin got dance, he don't want nobody dancing blood clot Marvin. They go like I say him own Marvin. And I go like he birth Marvin and I name Janet. That's why I don't deal with Marvin. Because Marvin man do with Nikisha and see me enough time I dance and want to talk to me. Avoid him. Because enough time my man them beat up me blood clot with Marvin and say, if you talk dance with Marvin because I bat him and I say I don't know bat him and I not talk dance with him. And Marvin take up him blood clot self and sell me out for Nikisha. And he burn me. And he burned me. So me never talk it, me I go talk now. Tell you no that. I see you Marvin, you know think. Anything you want to hide, you do things. You must kiss the blood clad fur. And that way you have to think before you do things. You run down for life and bust up blood clad. And what do you say Marvin? Hey, me say me want hold you one place and you put a bamba lick out your head side if you have blood clad sense. One more height down where you have your want Marvin. Eh? One more height down that you want. Eh? Boy, you kiss girl from blood clot life. What do you say? The limo want rotten off, man. You know what do you say, Marvin? What do you want to rub out here, but bad to bad, me don't want to murder you still. Because I guess I know you're my brother still, you know. I'm still rated, but you're pussy on the battlefield too. And that me I tell you. Because you sell out enough people. You sell out land, you sell out tilly. You sell out the whole away for Nikisha too. So all the people might go like say Nikisha don't sell out in front. Marvin sell we out too. Marvin sell out land, Marvin sell out blood clot tilly. And as far where Marvin come from, backer days, thief days, any days where Marvin come from, not hungry days. You know much time me and Marvin there for him lock up on my man in the house and Marvin can make all that girl them blood clot. Yeah, there was a place where Marvin come from. So you know go like say Nikisha innocent. You know innocent. Cause Marvin sell out in friend them to come here, drop down right just to come ignorant this morning. Ignorant to Marvin sell out in friend them to already having ways them. I when them a batty him out and call him all these things. Me still love him, you know. But me just avoid him to the point because him a want pussy. And I'm not telling with Marvin. Marvin don't rate people who rate him. And that me I tell you. Marvin don't rate people who rate him. Marvin always rate who don't rate him. And Marvin, I don't like Nikisha, you know. I don't care. I saw me still. I like Nikisha. Because Nikisha take my friend for me. And me no blood clot like him. But hear me, Marvin. What are we all girls? You can go around and do people fitness so because remember you have one daughter, Marvin, and Karma is a fucking bitch. You have to stop this, yeah? I don't really like Nikisha, no, but what you doing, my fuckery? I don't know why you and him having, no, but the bust out tongue business there, me not like it, brother. And that me they tell you. The part they grieve me, Mark, my piece of bamboo and lick off your mouth off of one side, lean like a yellow man, that's some mistake. Yeah, no. I tell you as a brother, a sister, you have to stop the people girl picking some Marvin. That is not nice because you have one daughter. I don't like Nikisha doing about. I just tell you the truth for the behalf of ladies' behalf. You have to stop that. You have to stop growing and fuck up people girl picking mates because in the long run, when you pick the big and go have man, I know you never want a boy do him so. I don't know why Nikisha have, I don't care why Nikisha have. I not tell you like I did well why you left Nikisha. Can't take away from me. I no business who want to make me talk the facts. Cause some mistake. Oh, me did why you left Nikisha a long time, but me never why you bust out no kiss. Pan them the girl lip and blood clot live. You know look good if it go. But you green out to head top. I want use one whack and chop off a piece of green off your head top. Cause I come like a little green out to blood clot head top making no sense. Yeah, and that me they tell you. He take him from me, no business one you want to say. And that me they tell you. Because me and Marvin never have nothing. More tell you what is the deal. Me and Marvin never have no one time tall up them and them in a some argument. As you don't know, tall up on my cousin. Me and my sister buy out the argument and put up one video and cuss Nikisha. When Mr. Marvin don't turn in a ear Marvin do not talk to me just because I cuss Nikisha. Then the time I even didn't know say Marvin a fuck Nikisha because then the time when they hide and fuck if you don't want to hear. Right? So I said to my sister, you know, see me just call to Marvin and not answer me. I go back again and I call to Marvin again and Marvin don't answer me. Marvin and Nikisha come and work for. Marvin out to do a true word for me for Nikisha. And that me I tell him no. So no tell me nothing, no know where they go on. Here, boy, you know take away. You don't know nothing where they go on. Say better have no talk. And that me I tell you. Marvin have Tilly and land up with him. Good dancer. Whether we want, hey, me tell you, so they come out to me and Marvin. Nobody, if me want to call Marvin 100 drunk for 100 crosses, nobody can come between me and Marvin here. Me love Marvin for my heart now. Me have him up. Me have him up for sell me out for Nikisha. Because I guess I know, my man used to beat me for Marvin and tell me if he tap dancing Marvin because I'm a batty man. And I tell him, say, they have to go kill me because I never see my fuck no batty yet. So if you hear me, they cuss Marvin, cuss him and tell him anything I want to tell him because I'm supposed to. Marvin love to sell out him friends, them rate him too much. And that me I tell him. And I see him put up one sitting on his Instagram about why people always talk shit. Marvin here is shit. I don't rate people who rate. I mean, I tell you the truth. That's what I stay. I just straightforward and talk things as it is. Marvin, you're shit, but I still rate you, but you're shit. Because you don't rate people who rate you. And you can go around and they fuck up people. Girl, pick the meds them the way because you have one daughter. I don't pick up for Nikisha because I don't like him. I pick up for a girl. To me, a girl. I'm the one nobody do me so. That make me attack. And that me I tell you, facts and truth me talk about. Facts and truth me talk about. You sell out the whole of beer and go like you're Tony's. You remember the hungry days. You remember Marvin the go like you remember nothing. Some fireplace, where the blood clot come from. Marvin, remember, you know. When nobody talk things, boy, Marvin, it hurt me, you know. So me never come up and say nothing yet. When nobody talk things, boy, and they done you and do up some type of way, it hurt me feelings, Marvin, me I tell you. But to the way you love sell out people, me just bite on my feelings and keep it. I make them done you and help them rub your toe. Because you're pussy on the battlefield. And that me they tell you. You have to stop this. Marvin, you have to stop and go around and these people will respect you. You say if you not change, brother, you're not going to reach nowhere in your life, Marvin, because Karma is a fucking bitch. And you notice God make a get one girl, God make a get one boy. You have to stop them something. Marvin say if you don't want the girl them, best if you just fuck and cut. To put the girl them in a chance and have them do this and do that and Ray. And then you left the girl them gone. People they go like say, alright then. People say, Ray, Marvin this Nikisha, because Nikisha this your friend them for Marvin. Marvin this your friend them too. Uno never hear me at all. Marvin this in friend them to everybody all know where me and Marvin a come from. The whole world know where me and Marvin a come from. Marvin this with too. Me can't talk for me. Me and Marvin don't have nothing at all. Nothing me and Marvin don't have. And to because Tall up and Nikisha them have affliction them back in a long time days there. And you know how me see me like everybody is my family. So I buy out and I talk a few things and put up one video. And I see Marvin downtown the pussy in the car team and you know answer me. And that me I tell you. And the amount of time my man them bust up my blood clot for Marvin. And me tell him say my brother that. But you see Marvin, you have to change. Let me tell you something. You go up on the life now, you run up on the people them life. You look fame and fat. You Marvin, much fame and fat, you know what? You take fame till fame to turn you over, put your ground, fame flick you over back and care. But Marvin, you have to stop this. Anyway, now. You jump on World Dog live now. You know the World Dog is a comedian now. You jump up now, World Dog's a kiss him. You run and bust up blood clot. What's wrong with you? You don't know a girl from Adams. You don't know a girl from Blood Clot Eve. You run gankies. Marvin, me say we irritate me and me grieve me, Marvin. I want to hold and take me a plank and lick off your blood clot face off your body. Hey, you ever watch Alice in Wonderland? And the art girl say, half this head, as someone on the head. You grieve me, brother. And that me I tell you. You just don't be a fuck from me people that talk about things, boy. You don't hurt me feelings, you know. But through your pussy, me just hold it, man. We all come from Mobile. And everybody have a side to a story. Everybody can understand them have Marvin head so. Because we are all girl. And no girl not perfect. Oh, let me tell you that. Me tell you with Marvin or Marvin stay. Marvin now go and talk the real thing what good on, you know. Till somebody touching car, that's the Marvin stay. But all me can tell you, Marvin, you have to stop growing and fuck with people. You see, hey, one girl will kill you, Marvin. One girl will kill you, Marvin. And I say, Marvin, I leave me all and dead. I say, for when me a build some frack put on for you, because I know you saw a funeral, you're not here. That me they tell you. Marvin, have to stop this. Marvin, have to stop. And one thing I like, I don't know with social media people. You have to split justice. You can't understand them have Marvin head alone. Because Nikisha don't see it neither. Here? Because I see, with their blood clot nipples Tuesday already. And Danger the dance with Marvin. And it chop when Nikisha chop Danger. You see? When Danger turn on and push back Nikisha. When Nikisha say like he go get serious, Nikisha laugh it off. And that me I tell you. When we are going down, Nikisha don't want nobody dancing Marvin neither. Here? And enough things Nikisha make Marvin do. So, you don't go like Nikisha don't know see it. Got two sides to every blood clot story. Every time when Nikisha see Marvin come near me, he skin up in bumbo clot face. I know ugly more than me. Me don't like that girl, I'm in a business. But all the things that Marvin should do him so. That I truth and the facts. But me not like him do. That me have to look and take with my blood clot best friend. I mean not care who want beg so me talk. I mean not care who want talk after that. Because Marvin is my best friend, me love for my heart. I don't care where you see me and him have. Me still love him. And me still feel that way when time people are bring him down. But sometimes he ignorant me have to bring him down too. Nah, I don't think anybody knows me straightforward I'm in a response. I'm having sell out the little dancer friend them. Where man them come for think foot blood clot days. You have to stop it, Marvin. You have to stop it. I mean when you come for my life, go and watch this. You have to stop it. Respect who respect you and rate who rate you, Marvin. And if you don't stop, you're not going to reach far in a life. Me couldn't even sleep. Because when me go on your blood clot post them and see the things that my people are right, boy. You're not all that bad. Marvin not bad to all them are going. In just blood clot, selfish, and half himself. I tell you how Marvin stay. He's a boy where when him use you to a point, when he realize say nah get no forward off you again, him leave you alone. So any girl out there, when you listen to me, that's my attitude when they talk to you. Don't put no heart in Marvin. Yeah? Because Marvin don't want nobody but his wife. All you see Marvin a kick up on a blood clot, kick up rumpus and a go on. No, but Marvin. All you see Marvin they go on and a twin out in a suit and I go like he done with Lisa. I don't know nothing about Marvin. Marvin, that boy will go one blood clot card. I go call Lisa phone and beg him. Me not ask Christ. I tell me I told her, feel me friend. Me know him stay. Yeah? Tell her that. And me know Marvin stay. So any girl we feel so no one put no life in a Marvin hands. Me sorry for blood clot on you, yeah? Because I go walk all around and put no life in a Marvin. And Marvin don't want nobody. Tell her that. Nobody. Oh. No, Lando, you're a laugh. I don't know, joke thing. You know, hey, you say Marvin used to parry Tilly look like one little rough beast. Time the Tilly Lily and Pad and can't do frag back, you know. Time Tilly go everywhere with Marvin. You say, hey, a long time we have Marvin apart. First time I have Marvin, you put out clothes and Marvin used to blood clot have. The same time I got foreign, I miss nothing. Me teeth out in clothes them and sell them back and some me stay. Here, and Marvin the top sell out in friend them. Marvin sell out Tilly and sell out Lando for no for girl. I don't know nobody not talk about that. Nobody not talk about that. So me have to go up on an irritated issue there too. Because everybody at Bars and Nikisha sell out in front of me. Marvin sell out in front of them too for Nikisha. It was a sell out world like one. And that me they try show no. Marvin remember when time Tilly used to think side of Fame. And Fame words used to think Marvin remember everywhere catch him down in his sleep. Don't sell out a friend them brother. Marvin they behave like a come from town from what you up in a town world. For sure how Marvin I want pussy. Me Marvin come and be with that Nikisha and Wally Mike. Oh, Nikisha the baddest thing around town. Oh, no girl can come get Nikisha. All them time my feelings hurt, you know. If you know say Marvin I go and say, you know. Because all them and Marvin are no friend, you know. No blood clot dancing no better than Marvin to me, you know. You know, for me opinion, you know. No dancing no bad like him, for me. So you say me seeing go on somewhere. You hurt my feelings. You know much time Marvin come back to come talk to me at town and me not deal with him. If you watch this I now watch him, I'll tell a pussy me not deal with you. You sell out me figure enough time, man, then bust up my blood clot for no dance with you. I mean, nah, stop. So what you they say? Eh? No phone not talk. Eh? Suppose me tell you say, I'm Marvin give me gold teeth. Marvin swing me down a wall and lick up my blood clot teeth. No, not about me and Marvin, you know. Yeah? Marvin, you have to stop this. Stop it. Start run down the hype, Marvin. You done have it for your born your star. Start run down the hype. Start run down the blood clot hype, Marvin. Because all the hype I do to you, Marvin, I pick up you, lick you down, and fling you one part, Marvin. You love prove yourself to people too much. You love prove. You know what's a New York and the girl don't need you. Them the girl don't want you. And to word after kissy girl, you take up your blood clot self like a thing a storybook you're in a. Run the bus out blood clot tongue pan life like you're an idiot. Par you need, you're a big man now, you need to have sense and live up. Love social media alone. Kind of bring you no more than it disgrace you. It bring you down. Marvin, me know your daughter no done. And every blood clot pick me have a social media phone. And all you think the pitney go feel when I read all these comments and people that say you're batty man, you're in a Nikisha tights and all these things. Marvin it no nice. Because when me see it, me feel aware. And every pitney have a phone. You have to stop it. And I do you take up plugs and tell like about you know I live different like you delete Nikisha picture, Nikisha delete it because you no pitney them. I know you just know about your pitney. That is not nice, Marvin. You know, look good every time you go on social media. Me can't hear nobody that say, Marvin a bad dancer. Again, I know, me can't hear nobody that say, boy, me rate Marvin a rare. All of the ear, Marvin a batty man. Marvin piss up Nikisha bed. Marvin this, Marvin that. I just hear bad things. I'm bad too bad, you know. You know, so bad as how you look, you know. You know, stay so terrible as how you look. It means just a fucker at times. But you know, so bad as how things may be. But one thing you need to change boy to Marvin. You have to stop use people. You have a style. When you have a friend, you have no little dancer. You use them for a period of time. See it there? Dirty Nancy Black style line. You pick him up. And buy out your argument, you know, fully, you know. Till me lick him in the blood clot and I walk forward and back in his face, you know. That if lick him in his face and say, Batty boy, come out of me and Marvin argument. And you see it, you drop black style line like a piece of bad habit. Marvin, you can't do this sitting there. All right now, Marvin. Me and your brother and sister, you know, me like talk truth if you want big so big. Marvin, you have Nikisha. See him? You make everybody batty out Nikisha. Cuss him and tell him, oh, batty man a fuck him. Class him up in most way. He have your back and you just drop a girl like a bad habit, so. You can't do that, Marvin. Me not love a girl, but you can't do them suck them, Marvin. People have feelings, Marvin. People have heart. Marvin, you can't do them sitting there. You know when time girl have man problem, how you go? Nikisha, me not like you, but just bounce right back. You know where you're Marvin have, you know. You know where you're Marvin have, but if you get here, you have to get here, because you boy like Marvin have fear. Your pussy hole, you. Me know it ain't gonna last long, cause my brother that. I'm sorry for you. I don't care who one bex. Yeah, man. Hey, no boy can make me sell out my friend them. No boy. Because when they used to beat me for Marvin, me not sell him out. So me don't know. And Marvin no make Nikisha sell out in friend them. And Nikisha idiot. And him want sell out in with a friend them. Because Marvin could take him up and make him sell out in friend them. Because nobody can make me sell out Marvin unless me want to do it from my heart. I don't care how me not chat to Marvin. When me don't know anybody say nothing about Marvin, me cuss out them blood clot. Or when me not chat to him. And that me they tell you. So when people are talking about, oh, Nikki this and Nikki that, Nikki have fault too. And I'm Marvin alone. We all have fault. And I'm Marvin alone. Marvin go off and left Nikisha. And I'm telling you the truth, but I don't like. Because some stay. Marvin could have left Nikisha because Marvin a water down. Marvin don't have no clothes again and Marvin not hot. Because Marvin have to take the whole of the money spent by Nikisha. So Marvin have to go move forward. If you can give him buy him 2 pieces of clothes and go out with him. Say Marvin no have some stay. Me talk truth. Marvin like when girl mind him. Marvin doesn't stay with Nikisha for a period of time. She never want to look bad. Me didn't know he never went go last long. Because Marvin water down. Him not hot again. Him look a job one mark and one tough like a Remington blood clad steel. Marvin don't look at again as my brother. Me know the way me know. So Marvin have to go in America now. And what do you feel like people them say at me? Marvin have to go in America you know. Figure go find a new girl now. If you buy him 2 years, 2 red bottom or 2 something. If you come back on the market fresh. But I'm here to tell Marvin, here where they go on, you say he's American citizen. Go and stay America, bad man. Look a new life, bad man. Cause dancing, he come like say, me no know. Is that they go turn artist or we just leave it alone, Marvin? You can't do like me. All dancer girl, me tell you something you never know. Never uno fuck a dancer, man. Uno don't go to dancing world because it's not gonna last. That's why I don't look at that blood clot world. At that me I tell you no. And Nikisha, let me tell you something now. All the hell you feel you go run up in a one girl life. All you feel you go run up in the people in life. And feel you Marvin may go live sweet. No girl. Karma is a bitch. Girl, we are all fucker girl. And we all take people man. But just when you take girl man, you don't cost the people them. Cause at the end of the day, the man them gonna leave you because it wasn't your man. And then you go look like a shit down the line. So what you have to do, if you want to take a fuck out of Marvin, you should just take your fuck, steal your friend them, go and drop on your head top cause guess I know no, you have one bad dancer without dancing with Marvin. Yeah, Marvin is not no type of dancer together. Me and Marvin are type of dancer together because we are mad people. When you dance by yourself, girl, you dance better. And you look better because you are one bad dancer. I'll do me not like you, but you are one bad dancer. That's some mistake. Me talk truth and fact. Yeah, if you just take your fuck and go on, girl. Karma is a bitch. You see, we woman, anytime there's a woman, you run up in our next girl life, don't matter things you feel like go sweet. It not go sweet. And that me they try make you know. So Nikisha, you should have seen that coming down a one part. You should have seen that coming down a one line. Can you see Marvin? I see Marvin a boss and a blood clot. While Marvin now left his wife. When he broke in go one place, go call his wife and beg him. And you see Lisa idiot to Marvin. Me not ask you, me I tell you one time, Lisa give me some close people. Let me go on the story. Come for me time at the man, you know, people. One time I go to America and Lisa give me some clothes. Time Marvin baby mother when they Mikini. Mikini come a yard. Lisa take flight. Left from America come to Jamaica without clothes. I come back and talk about Diamond. Then nobody clothes them men give me say move your blood clot. You don't know about the clothes them because I want you watch man too much. You hear me tell you? See Lisa and Marvin. You don't know what they go down the line. You hear Marvin know what to do to get back Lisa. Lisa know what to do to get back Marvin. You hear me tell you? So Nikisha, I don't know how you so comfortable. You talk about yourself going dressed like you're Marvin a twin. Comfortable up yourself, me you kill post and a run down post with blood clot Marvin. And what do you see you start post all your son, you know? Me you post your Marvin born a twin this and twin blood clot that. You go on. You know say Marvin a evil. Sorry if you know. Yeah man. See tell the truth days come here. I see Marvin I go talk about. Me and Nikisha don't have no and rare. Me just tell Nikisha to go on anyways. No blood clot go so. No go so. They must have whatever they have. But Marvin just don't feel like talk yet. No go so. Me know Marvin a germs. Yeah? Marvin just want to see one girl in the dance and he body they go loco. But don't see Marvin a tear up and shoot and go like my beast. He go loco in the girl in his corner too. So try blood clot know that. At that me I tell you no. But Girl, never you sell out a friend for man. Because man is not a lifetime, but friend is a lifetime. Oh, no boy can me sell out my friend them. No boy. Prefer you go on your ways and go look at different boy. Fuck out my crutches. That me they tell you. Because see it there, you could have in the road and dance and go on with yourself. You take up yourself and climb in a blood clot tree with Marvin. Nikisha in a look good because never fit you. And you know them the type of dancer there. Yeah, me like when you dance by yourself, girl. And you rock over your body so girl and drop on your head top and all these things. Girl, you look better by yourself as a dancer. You is that a tree dancer. Leave them something to me. The ugliest queen. That's not fierce style. Fierce style of the dance with your friend them. Hold on when you look good together. Me like see hold on together. Because when you not dance, hold on together, you look good together. When you dance by yourself, girl, that makes sense. You're in a dance hall and walk and kiss up blood clot and suck out with Marvin like say, una a blues, una act. And I saw this thing go. Me ignorant. And I don't know left Marvin to. Low him alone now. He mount a batty, want to batty up Marvin to blood clot. You can't done with him now, you know. You can't done with him now. And that me they tell me because I know him a blood clot one wrong. Everybody have their ways. But Marvin, your pussy still in a brother. My world wants you to dig off piece of your face. Yeah? I mean not tell a lie. Nikisha, I don't know why you're Marvin at, but you see to the speedway when I go on. To the speedway when I go on, girl.